I often say we're exposed to 30,000 new chemicals every year, but I was reading an article recently, 100,000 new chemicals every year. You have no say over your neighbour, but you have total say over your little piece. So just ensure that your washing detergent, the food that you're eating, it can come in so many ways. One lady said, it's going to take me forever to shop. I said, no, only the first shop. You just devote a bit of time, bring your magnifying glass. After that, you know exactly where to go. When I go into the supermarket, I'm not in there long. I know I get that aisle. One man said, just stay on the outside aisles. That's where your fresh things are. So please investigate so that you don't have any more exposure to those chemicals. I thank God that He has given us a liver that has the ability to detoxify us from the environmental poisons that we are exposed to today. That is the good news. But you'll notice that this also supports what Atkins found. I think when Atkins died, he didn't realise the 3 phases of the liver detox. This has only been known since, I think, early 2000s. The more scientist is able to delve deeper into the body, the more is revealed. But you can see why his diet was working, because he was supplying high antioxidant. Did you know that his patients had to eat 3 cups of vegetables a day and 1 cup had to be greens? I think that's the only way they got away with it. Certainly there was enough protein and certainly adequate levels of good fats which keep those cells nice and supple. Now there are a couple of herbs that you might be interested to know that specifically have a tonic effect on the liver. In Psalm 104 verse 14, the Bible says that God gave herbs for the service of man. I love that verse because you just picture the herbs coming in. They come in and say, where would you like me? And that's exactly what they do. Lemon, the humble lemon, has a great tonic effect. You might have heard the old saying, bitter to the mouth, sweet to the stomach. And sweet to the mouth, bitter to the stomach. Well, you apply that to the liver. Bitter to the mouth, it's a sweet to the tonic. So, to the liver, a sweet tonic to the liver. So all your bitter herbs. So let's look at some bitter herbs. Dandelion. Dandelion is a well-known liver herb. Also St. Mary's thistle. St. Mary's thistle is also called milk thistle. And gentian, this is not as well known. Gentian is also an incredibly bitter herb. And a sweet bitter is ginger. So your 10 o'clock juice, which is Granny Smith apple and ginger, I think it's one of the nicest, has a nice stimulating effect to the blood. Tonight, when we look at poultices, I'll be talking about ginger in detail. So there's some of the herbs that stimulate the liver. Remember, the liver is a recoverable organ, and if you give it the right conditions, it can begin to recover. We're going to have a break now, and when we come back from our break, we're going to be looking at those little chemical messengers in your body called hormones.
The liver is one of the most important organs in the human body, as it performs hundreds of essential functions that keep us alive and healthy. It plays a central role in detoxification, digestion, hormone regulation, blood purification, and the metabolism of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Dr. Barbara O'Neill often emphasizes that when the liver is healthy, the entire body benefits. But when it is overburdened or damaged, many health problems can begin to appear. According to Dr. Barbara O'Neill, many people are unknowingly harming their liver through poor dietary habits, excessive consumption of processed foods, refined sugars, alcohol, chemical additives, and unnecessary medications. She also warns about aggressive liver rinses or extreme detox methods, explaining that these practices can shock the liver and gallbladder, potentially leading to pain, inflammation, digestive distress, and other health complications. Rather than forcing the liver to detox suddenly, she encourages gentle, natural support that works in harmony with the body. Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains that the liver is a self-cleansing organ when it is given the right conditions. Instead of harsh cleanses, she recommends supporting liver function through nutrition, hydration, rest, and the use of specific natural herbs that have traditionally been used to cleanse, strengthen, and heal the liver over time. One of the natural remedies she highlights is lemon. Lemon supports the liver by stimulating bile production, which helps the body digest fats and remove waste more efficiently. Its natural acidity also helps activate liver enzymes, making detoxification pathways work more effectively. Drinking warm water with lemon can gently encourage liver cleansing without causing stress to the body. Dandelion is another herb Dr. Barbara O'Neill often mentions for liver support. Dandelion root and leaves are known for their ability to support bile flow and assist the liver in flushing out toxins. This herb also supports kidney function, which works closely with the liver to remove waste from the bloodstream. By improving elimination, dandelion helps reduce the toxic load placed on the liver. St. Mary's thistle, also known as milk thistle, is one of the most well-known herbs for liver healing. Dr. Barbara O'Neill explains that milk thistle contains compounds that help protect liver cells from damage and support their regeneration. It has traditionally been used to help the liver recover from exposure to toxins, poor diet, and long-term stress. This herb works gently, strengthening the liver rather than forcing detoxification. Gentian is another herb recommended by Dr. Barbara O'Neill for liver and digestive health. Gentian is known for stimulating digestive secretions, including bile, which helps improve fat digestion and nutrient absorption. By enhancing digestion, gentian reduces the workload on the liver and helps prevent stagnation that can lead to congestion and discomfort. Ginger is also included in her recommendations because of its warming, anti-inflammatory, and circulatory benefits. Ginger helps improve blood flow to the digestive organs, supports bile movement, and reduces inflammation in the liver and gut. It also aids digestion, reduces nausea, and supports overall metabolic health, all of which indirectly benefit liver function. Dr. Barbara O'Neill's approach to liver health is based on respect for the body's natural intelligence. She does not encourage extreme detox methods or quick fixes, but instead promotes consistent, gentle support through natural herbs, whole foods, adequate hydration, and healthy lifestyle choices. By reducing toxic exposure and nourishing the liver daily, she teaches that the liver can gradually cleanse itself, repair damage, and restore balance, leading to better digestion, clearer skin, improved energy, and overall improved well-being.